I created this professional looking fashion advertisement without a photographer, without a studio, or without a real model. And the craziest part, the tool I used is already inside CapCut. Most people know CapCut for video editing, but very few people know it comes with powerful AI tools that can help you create professional looking content, product ad, and even fashion photo shoots. If you sell clothes, own a fashion brand, own a boutique, or create content online, this feature can save you money and help you create stunning visuals without hiring models. But before we jump in, welcome to Level Up with Victoria. My name is Victoria, and on this channel, I share AI tools, digital skills, content creation strategies, and online income opportunities to help you work smarter and grow faster. Now, if you think this is something you are interested in, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on post notifications so that you never miss an upload. Now, let's get straight into today's tutorial. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to head over to Pinterest. Now, the reason why we are heading over to Pinterest is to get inspiration, just for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to click on search for ideas right here, and I click on it, and I'm going to search for fashion outfits for women, and I'm going to click on enter. Then we are going to see so many outfits. I want to, go look for something that I really like. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I need you to know that if you want to go into this, you need to look for a picture that nobody is wearing. For instance, I'm looking for something really nice so that you can understand. Okay, I like this red gown. I really love this. So I'm going to pick this, and I'm going to come here to download it. And then once you download, you're going to see it immediately in your gallery. But I really like this and I want to work with this. Okay, so like I said again, to be able to get the best advertisement, you need to go for a picture that nobody has worn. For instance, if you check this red gown, nobody is wearing it. It is just a picture, and you need to get outfit inspirations like this to give you the perfect one, to give you the perfect advert that you're looking for. And if your brand is for a man, all you need to do is type fashion outfit for men, and it's going to bring out a lot of options for you. Okay, so I'm really liking this men outfits. I'm really liking all this that I'm seeing, but let me just look for something really nice. Okay, so I think I'll be going for this. Let me go for this, right? And let me download it. The moment you download it, you're going to see it immediately in your gallery. Alright, so after heading over to Pinterest to get our fashion inspiration, the next thing we need to do is to head over to CapCut, the popular CapCut that we all know. And then when you get to CapCut, this is the first interface you'll be seeing. All you need to do is come over to this place that says all tools. Yes, this place. And all I need to do is to click on it. I'm going to click on it right now, and I scroll down. There's a lot of features here to help your business. I'll just be teaching you what this tutorial is all about today. So you can see here, this last place where it says AI fashion model. It's a new tool that CapCut just added. So if you're a business owner, you need to rejoice over this. All you need to do is click on the AI fashion model here, and when you click on it, you are going to see your CapCut interface. It's going to give you options. So I come here to click on this red clothes that I chose, and I click on next, and yeah, you're going to see a lot of models, right? You're going to see dress models, hoodie models, right, skirt models, and anything that you're looking for. But I'll be coming back here to choose this trending. So let me say I'm going for this lady. I want her to be my model. And another thing you need to notice that you can create your own AI model, right? And see here, create your AI model, but that will be a class for another day. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using a recommended model, and I'm going to be going with this first lady right here, and I'm going to click on generate. You can see it here, generate. Alright, so we are going to give it a few minutes to generate our image, and you're going to be so wowed with the results. Alright, so this is really nice and perfect. You can see our products here, the clothes we got on Pinterest, and you can see our model rocking this. I really love this. It came out as nice as possible. So if you're a fashion designer or a content creator, or whatever you want to achieve with this tutorial, I feel like you need to rejoice over this because this is perfect. And so all you need to do is click on save. You can see it here. Save this image to your device, or they will be lost if you delete CapCut. So it's always best to save the image, for future use. So I'm just going to save. And another thing CapCut has done for us now, you'll see this feature here that says generate video, which means with this your image, you can also generate video, whereby the model is going to be modeling with the clothes. And then all we need to do is to click on generate video, and it's going to generate on its own. So we are going to give it a bit of time. When you click on generate video, it's going to lead you to this interface. You can see that the circle, it's growing, right? This white thing in the circle, it's growing. So we need to wait for the circle to finish uploading, and then we'll see the video. So let's give it a bit of time. All right, so we can see that our video has been generated. I'm excited to see this, so let me just play the video. Okay, so this is actually really nice and perfect. I love this. Okay guys, so let me give you a bit of a video editing idea so that you know that you don't just post this kind of ordinary videos on your social media. You might need to edit it a bit. So the first thing I'll need to do is come over to adjust here and go to saturation. I like to use saturation because it pops my video or it pops my picture. So I want to take the saturation to about 5 or 6. Yes, and I click on enter. You can see that the picture has popped. This was the video formerly, and this was it when I had it. So you can see that the video has popped, right? Yeah, so this is it. All right, the next thing I want to do is to come to text. Okay, I feel like I actually want to make the aspect ratio into a TikTok reel, and I click on enter, then I click on the video and I try to enlarge it. So the next thing I want to do is come to text, click on add text. So I want to say something like you like it, right? Then I want to put the question mark. I want to come to style, make this okay. Yeah, so I feel like I like this. I want the stuff to pop. I also want to come to font and use a very nice font. Let me say I'll go for concise. I like using concise, right? So this is concise. We can see what it looks like and how it looks like. So this is it. I'm going to say you like it. I'm going to cut this here, right, and come here to say perfect for any events. So I duplicated, right, and I'm going to come here to say perfect for any event. Okay, so this perfect for any event is me telling my client that this gown is perfect for any kind of event. You can wear this to a wedding, a woman hangout, or anything. And then I still come here to duplicate, and I bring it here to the last part to say something like add to cart if you love. And I have the love emoji. Okay, so I feel like this is really going very nice for me. So I want to come over here to go to audio, right, and just add a bit of audio to it. Okay, let me use this Baby Girl. All right, so you can see that the song I chose is about 2 minutes, so I'm just going to come here and cut it off. All right, so I'm going to split it here, then delete, and this is our video. Okay, so I might like to reduce the song a bit so that people can still focus on the clothes, since that's what we are selling. So let me play this for you again. I feel like this can pass for a YouTube reel if you're trying to advertise. So what I'm just going to do is click on export. I want the quality to be as great as possible, so I'm going to be taking it to 2K/4K resolution, so that when you post, it's going to bring out the perfect resolution for you. And I click on done, and I click on save to device, and it's going to save. And okay, so yes, I've shown you guys how to actually edit your video to make it look really professional and nice. And so when I come to gallery here, and this is what the video is giving me. So you can see that the CapCut AI here is showing. In another tutorial, I'll be telling you how to remove this watermark from your videos. Alright, so after everything, there are a lot of stuff that I played with, and this is just to show you that you can do it with so many other things too. And this is a video that we made. This is the clothes, and this is the model on the clothes, and this is the video of the model, trying to show us how the clothes looks like. This is another men's outfit, so you can see that the men are not left out. This is a video of the man trying to show us the model, and this is another clothes, right? And this is our model. And this is a video of our model modeling the outfits, and this is really perfect. All right, so thank you for listening to our class so far. If you really enjoyed this tutorial, ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any other tutorial. Toodles!